Hi everyone and welcome to the Gwen'n'Potions channel. I'm back today with the first video of the Halloween special collection of this year, making an epoxy resin nightlight. Here I'm using two different color ones, one dark green for the tail of the first pumpkin and one orange to create a gradient from lightest to darkest. I'm going to insert a green streak of light inside right from the start. Be careful while working with epoxy resin. Work in a well-ventilated area away from human and animal traffic. Protect your eyes, skin and respiratory system with suitable equipment such as masks, gloves and long covering clothing. Review the safety data sheet for the resin you purchase to determine how to measure it and to determine the maximum pouring thickness, the waiting time between pours, the curing time before unmolding and before complete curing, as well as the time required for hazardous fumes to completely dissipate. For this very tall creation, I'm going to make 4 pours. The first, the smallest, will be dark green. The other 3 divided proportionally will be increasingly dark orange. I leave you with the video and join you for the unmolding. it's our night light ready to be unmolded. I visibly missed my gradient. It's a shame, but I still like it. What do you think? It's pretty cool, isn't it? This was my first attempt, so I'm learning from my mistake. Here I see that I grouped the light too close together. I will have to be careful next time. I'm back with you now to assemble the gift box. I created these 3 labels with Canva. I logically focused on the pumpkin for the design. I didn't have a dark box matching, so I stuck to the light ones, and I tried to not clash with the white of the box. The interior is lined with tissue paper and orange paper curls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out the playlist of past Halloweens to discover some crazy ideas for celebrating this day. Next week, you'll be able to discover a candle made from the same mold. Of course, for safety reasons, I start by making this one, the candle one, before tackling my nightlight. I wish you a wonderful fall, and I hope you don't encounter any ghosts or ghouls before next week. See you soon. Bye!